you need to add local script to start your player scripts. Let's add players. Game get service players and local proximity prompt service. Okay. Next, let's add table to store our instance. Table storage. Okay. Next, proximity prompt service. Prompt shown connect function. And here we add let's say look. Now we need to say if table storage look, if not table storage look, then we need add, let's say, proximity local proximity adornee equals to what? Equals to look, find first child which is not child, ancestors. Okay, find first ancestors which is a base part, and or look, find first ancestors of class. Okay, model. Next we need create our highlight. Let's say local new highlight equals to instance that new highlight. Okay. Next, local, not local. Let's customize our highlight. Highlight. Let's customize color, fill color equals to color 3 new, and let's just set to white. New highlight fill transparency. Here we need to set fill transparency to 1. Okay. Next, we need to set new highlight adornee equals to our proximity adornee. Proximity adornee. And the last line of code will be new highlight parent equals. You see these players, our service. Let's say players, local player UI. That's it. Excuse me. New table storage look equals to our new highlight. Okay, here we're done here. Next, we need proximity prompt service prompt hidden connect function look. Here we just set it's just a lot easier than this. So let's say local highlight prompt, no matter how you name it, highlight prompt equals to what? Equals to our table storage. Table storage. Look. Okay. So here, what about logic of this proximity prompt service prompt hidden? So when we just stop looking at proximity prompt and proximity prompt disappearing, we need to clear our table, the first, and the second we need to destroy highlight. It's for just we don't need memory leak. It's bad for our game. Let's say new highlight, not new, table storage look equals to nil. And I forget this. Here we need to add line if table storage look table storage, then after that, after we set table storage look nil equals to nil, we need to destroy we need if highlight prompt. Yes, if highlight prompt, it's just to look easier. If highlight prompt, then table storage look equals to nil, and highlight prompt destroy. So what we have here, I think we're done. Okay, let's just test it. Okay, let's spawn our part and add proximity prompt. How you can see, let's just make it. Okay, how you can see, it works fine. And okay, I hope I help you. See you later.